Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will tell you how to delete Facebook account. For this is the procedure how to delete your Facebook account. First of all, you need to open your Facebook account. Then click on your profile picture in top right corner. Then select setting, and from setting you will select privacy. From privacy you will go to your Facebook information, and from your Facebook information you will delete your Facebook account. So let's do this. I will select face setting and privacy, then I will click on setting. From setting I will go to your Facebook information. And in this tab I will select this deactivation and delete. Click on view. You can deactivate your account. This can be temporary and you can use this after this deactivation. And this is delete account. This is permanent. Your account will be permanently removed. So I will choose this and click on continue to account deletion. Then click on delete account. I will enter here my password and click on continue. Then click account. Then click on delete account. You can see my account is deleted.